Show me all your tricks, Jordan. Whoa, that was crazy.
Yeah, take a picture of me.
Okay.
Please.
Is that your cute face?
Hmm?
Oh, that's cute. That is cute.
Picture.
Hey, I did, just now. Okay, now tell me about the Tooth Fairy, and I'll give you a chocolate cookie.
I did.
No, tell me one more time, just like in the car.
No.
Please. Please, Jordan. I don't...
I get you tooth.
Okay, and then what?
And I get you toy.
She gets you a toy. Where do you put your tooth when it falls out? Where do you put it so the Tooth Fairy can find it?
Under the pillow.
Oh.
So I'm going under this.
You want to go under the rug?
And find somebody else is under there.
There's somebody else under the rug? No way. Where? Where at?
Come under. Your earrings fall out.
Let me see.
See? Your earrings fall out.
Jordan, thank you.
Your earrings fall out.
Oh, good job. We found it.
Earring back.
It's actually not an earring. It's a piece to my necklace.
Oh. Put it back.
Will you blow me a kiss?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you caught it on your cheek. You're so handsome. Hey,
Yeah.
do you want to tell me anything else? Do you want to tell me who's your favorite person in the whole world?
Me.
You're your favorite person. Who do you love the very most?
You?
Me?
Yeah.
No way.
Come on, Mommy Trenton.
Who's your favorite?
No.
What?
Mommy and Grandma and Trenton.
Well, who's your favorite though?
No.
You don't love.
Mine Trenton.
You don't love anybody the best? You don't love anybody the best? You love them all the same?
And my mommy and Trenton and Grandma.
Oh, okay.
Got that?
I got that.
Take a picture of me doing this.
Okay, let me see. Oh, that's a handsome picture. You're cute. Oh, look at that. Is that your cute face? All right. Now tell me something about your Aunt Mindy.
Aunt Mindy's not you.
I know, but where does she live?
She lives at the house.
Where at, though?
At the house.
In Alaska?
No, in the house.
Oh, okay. A house in Alaska, though.
Yeah.
And do you know what?
In the house.
She's having a baby.
Have a baby?
Yes, she has a baby in her belly.
In the belly? Where's that?
Where is that?
Yeah.
Like in here. See, Mom?
In there?
In here.
Yeah.
But I don't have one, but Mindy does.
Mindy does in the stomach? She has a baby in the stomach?
Yep.
Did she eat the stomach?
Did she eat her stomach?
No. Did she didn't eat the baby?
Did Mindy eat the baby?
Yeah.
No. No.
Did she?
No, she didn't eat her baby.
Did she leave it?
No, she's gonna have the baby soon. It's gonna come out of her belly. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like your cousin.
Yeah, to me. Turn.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yeah, but not today.
Not today.
Nope. Just okay.
What are you doing?
Just put this back together.
Can you count to 10?
Yeah.
Show me.
10.
No. 1,
11.
10, 11, 12,
12.
13,
13.
14, 15, 16. Look at me. Jordan. I love you. No. I love you. Okay. Tell the camera bye.
I am ready to.
Let me see your foot. Whoa, this is a huge foot. Look at that thing. Look at that. Oh, whoa, whoa. Don't kick the camera. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's it.
Let me see your belly.
Okay.
Whoa, that is a big belly. Show me how many. Let me see all your hands. Oh, yeah. You know what? You should show me how old you are.
I'm 3.
Good job. Look at you. You're so big.
If my whole body big.
Your whole body's big. Oh, my gosh.
Now can you give
You're like a grown-up.
me
Okay, I'll give you chocolate. Okay, say bye.
Bye.